Now, question 2, you are required to simplify this. So you know a jk dy 12lk squared times negative 3l cube j. Alright, so in this case, let me change it in a fraction form. ajk times negative 3l cube j dy 12lk. So in this case, all the number let's times it together. 8 times 3 negative 24 divide 12. So j times j, you will get j squared. Okay, k divide k is gone. L cube divide L will give you L squared. Alright, so negative 24 divide 12 will give you negative 2j squared L squared. So in this case, oh sorry, it's k squared over here. So k cut k here, you will left a down k here. Okay, because you just cut a square down. Alright, so it will be negative 2j squared L squared over k. Okay, so this is the final answer. In this case, a squared minus 1 over 2a squared minus a minus 1. In this case, we know that a squared minus 1 will be a plus 1, a minus 1. So how do we know that? Because a squared minus 1 is formed by, if you look at a, it's a, you square it. And also if you look at 1, you square it. So if it's in this format, it will be a plus 1, a minus 1. And below part is a factorization. So 1 times 1 equal to 2a. 2a times a will give you a 2a squared. So 1 times 1 equal to 1. 1 times 1. So in this case, you are required to get negative a. You put a minus here. You put a plus here. You will factorize this equation. In this case, a minus 1 and a minus 1 can cut away. You are left a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. So this is the final answer. For question B, QRS is a straight line. QR equal to 2RS. We know that QR, 1 QR equal to 2RS. Find the value of tan theta. We know that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is 25, this is 7. So 25 squared minus 7 squared, square root it. You will get the answer of 25 squared minus 7 squared, square root it. You will get answer of 24. And in this case, you can see that this is Q to R and to S. QR is one part. Sorry, QR will be equal to 2RS, means RS is one part, QR will be 2 parts. So since all this is 24 cm length, so 24 by dividing 3, you will get 8 cm. So RS is 8 cm, QR is 16 cm because 2 parts. So you are required to find tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So what is tan theta? Your opposite is 7. Your adjacent, this is your opposite. Your adjacent means your side is 16, so over 16. So tan theta is 7 over 16. Next, this is from Form 2 Chapter 3. A right angle triangle is cut. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means a 90 degree. And is removed from this rectangular cardboard. The remaining shape is shown here. So the area of remaining cut, all this area is represented by L. So express L in terms of G and H. So how to express this? Let's use the area of the total cardboard first. The area of total cardboard will be 2G times 3H because of the height times the base, which is 3H. Alright, you'll get 6GH. This is the total area. Now let's look at the right angle triangle over here. So the right angle triangle over here, it will be the height here, H, times the base. How to get the base? The base will be, the total is 2G minus this H. So 2g minus h. So the area of this triangle will be 1 over 2 times h times 2g minus h. So to calculate the remaining, it will be L equal to this part 6GH, which is the total, minus the remaining here, minus the right angle triangle, you will get the remaining L. So minus 1 over 2 times H times 2G minus H. You can leave your answer this way, and you will get 2 marks. Next, hence, calculate the value of L when G is 12 and H is 15. So what you do is basically sub in the value, 6 times G 12, H is 15, minus 1 over 2 times H, which is 15, times 2G, which is 12, minus your H 15 here. Alright, so in this case, the first part, 6 times 12 times 15 will give me 1080, minus 1 over 2 times 15 times 2 times 12 will give you 24, minus 15 will give you 9. Alright, then do the last one, 1080 times minus 1 over 2 times 15 times 9 will give you 1020.5 cm square. So this is the final answer, another 1 mark.